The first circuit law that we're going to talk about, it is Kirchhoff law. So Kirchhoff has got two laws, which is the Kirchhoff current law and Kirchhoff voltage law. So I think you have got a brief idea of what they are from the basic grades. So when you've got an electric circuit, let's just say this is an electric circuit that has got a parallel branch with a resistor. So now electric circuit, in a resistor lana, okay. So in circuit there are two terms in node and loop. So maskulma node, we are just talking about a point in a circuit la kudlula khona current. Just a point where current passes through is known as a node. So a node is just a point where current passes through. So the common name is a node is a terminal. You can say it's a node or it's a terminal. So as long as it's any point where current passes through. So we need to know the conventional direction of current. From what you know, we say the current comes from positive to negative, right? So the conventional current direction that we take, we say is from the positive terminal and then towards the what? Towards the negative terminal. And then if the current figure to a point, to a node, whereby they are like separate wire, meaning that there's now a wire going that way, there's another wire going that way. So the conductor is separating into two parts. So basically current splitter. Means some of the current will now go here to this resistor R2. Kanjena. But some of the current will now go here to this resistor ubani R1, and then they will recombine again lana at this second node. Azohlangana futhi lama current as produce the same current that we had at first, which was the total current. So this is, if this is current I1, I1 when it reaches this node, it will split. A will go that way, let's call it I2. A will go here, let's call it I3. So let's call it I3. A will be I3. So to find I1, we can say that current I1 is equals to what? Is equals to current I2 plus current I3. Because basically I1, remember, is the total current coming from the battery, from the voltage source. So this current, the moment is split, it splits into two different currents. It will still make up the same current again. So this is what the total current. So I1 total current means it's the sum of current I2 no current I3. Because remember I2 no I3 they splitted from any the total current. Yes, so let's get used to that. So in node D, when you're talking about a node, it is just that terminal that combines three or more different parts. Okay, so we're just gonna use the circuit diagram and say if we have got a node and then a wire that is coming from that direction, there's a wire from this direction, there's a wire from this direction. It's just an example. If this is the node or this is the point, current, let's just assume we have got a current I1 flowing in this direction, and then which is no current I2 flowing in this direction. And then these two currents, let's say they combine and then they do what? They flow into this new path now to form current I3. So basically, in this we can say the total of all these currents that are flowing into and out of the nodes must be equal to 0. That is Kirchhoff's current law. So Kirchhoff's current law, the total current flowing through a certain node is equals to 0. But now, might ask themselves, why is it 0? It is because the current we assign it signs, basic, right? So you already know it, because actually as I say I1 or I2 they are combining and the total current will go to this part I3. So you can just say value I3 is equals to I1 plus I2 angisho. Just by seeing what these two current they are combining, they are going there. But now I want to show you that this is actually Kirchhoff's current law. Into obuyenza kahle all along without really knowing it. So when we assign our currents, we have got a positive current. So when you have got a positive current, it simply means that this is the current flowing into the node. So it's more like a current engena we node that is coming towards or into this point, which is our node. And lena ile node yet. So this is current into the node. So if your current is positive, it means it is flowing into the node. And then if your current is negative, when you see a negative current, it means that the direction is flowing out of the node. So this means out of the node. So it means that when we are doing this Kirchhoff's current law expression for lena, this particular case, we're going to say to wonke ama-current angena kwi-node, we're going to assign them a positive sign. Wonke ama-current aphuma kwi-node, we're going to assign them ubani, a negative sign. But all of this, they must give you ubani, u0 in total. So if I say that this is my node, call it node A, ngizothi the total currents through node A will be this current I1. I1, is it flowing in noma out? In. So we assign njani a positive because it's into the node. So this is current I1. And then current I2, is it flowing in or out? Into the node. So that's also assigned to bani positive I2. Current I3, is it flowing in or out? Out. So that's going to assign to bani negative I3. All of this must be equal to bani to 0. So here, if we just mind the expression len, the expression len, if you just transpose this positive I3, this will be something like I3 is equals to bani I1 plus I2, which is basically what you've already said. When you combine two currents, the total current as opumalana will be a combination of this and this. So Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's current law, we already were doing it, but without noticing. Manje sesipha amagama ukuthi manje lena inode, magne current engenayo senze positive, magne current ephumayo iba negative. But basically the idea is here we are having two currents that are entering the node and then they combine ayaphuma ngalena. So lo I3 lona uzoba yini? Uzoba i-total kabani? I1 no I2. Sayibona ngisho. Yiyo ni Kirchhoff's current law leyo. So Kirchhoff's current law, that's what it states ukuthi the algebraic sum of the currents into and out of the nodes. Now, the algebraic sum of the currents into a node at any instant is 0. So when you are adding the currents, the one with the positive, ile engenayo kwi-node. The one with the negative, it is the one that leaves the what? The node. Sayibona ngisho. The rest will be just to substitute your values. For example, for this one, they say to say current I1 is positive 5. So for this one, they told us that this current I1 is 5 amperes, right? And then current I2, they said is negative 3 amperes. So lana le current lena I2 uyangena, yes, but they've already assigned it to bani a negative value. So by the value here, we're having negative 3 amperes of the current engenayo. That's the value of the current, okay? And then we are having I4, bate positive 2. They are giving you the values. And then I3, which is leaving, it is what is unknown. So when you are now doing Kirchhoff's current law, make sure that you follow the principle. Ama current angenayo, you make them to be positive. Aphumayo, you make them to be negative. So lana, you just say the total current through this node, it is equals to what? You're going to add up umani. Current I1, uyangena noma uyaphuma? Uyangena ngisho. Yes, it's entering into the node. So I'm going to assign it a positive. So I'm going to assign it a positive. Positive I1. And then I2 uyangena noma uyaphuma? Uyangena. So I'm going to say this is plus I2. This is plus I2. Plus I2. Siyabona hlathe lo plus lo ubuya apha ngisho. Ilo senza njani? Iyangena. And then I4 wenza njani naye? Uyangena into the node, right? So that's going to be plus bani. Okay, plus. Okay, if we want to follow like I1, I2, I3. I3 wenza noni? Uyaphuma ngisho. So we must make it to bani abe u-negative I3 bese I4 yenza njani uyangena, so you must make it to be what? Positive I4. So the expression ye-Kirchhoff's law yakho is equals to 0 lana izothi I1 plus I2 minus I3 plus I4 is to show ukuthi ini engenayo i-positive ephuma injani i-negative. But now musu substitute ke you substitute the values oniwe wona wena bakuphe mapha ama values. They gave you I1 as a positive 5 amperes, so this will be positive 5. They gave you I2 wakho angisho siye plus lana ngisho sithe plus, but the value of the current that they gave you injani i-negative, so this is negative 3. At some point we'll find out can current ever be negative and why is it negative in this case, but the actual value wasiphiwe nobani u-negative 3. But now we expression yethu angisho siyayi-add ngisho, but si-add inamba enjani e-negative. And then ke u-I3 wakho it is what angisho siyayi-minusa lana u-I3 wethu is what is unknown. And then u-I4 it is positive 2. Now we are adding positive 2, all of it is equals to 0. Then you solve I3 from here, you just transpose I3 to the other side. What you remain with is 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 2 is 4 amperes. So we can say the total current leaving I3 is what? Is 4 amperes. Yeah. So that's how you calculate the current. So Kirchhoff's law, you just need to master when the current is entering into the node, assign it a positive sign. When it's leaving, assign a negative. So that's it in a simple way. But let's look at maybe when we have got let's look at the voltage law now, so that we can start doing our real circuit problems. So let's go back to our circuit that has got a voltage and the current. Sesikhulumile nge-current ukuthi splitha kanjani, divide kanjani. So ama voltages nakhona, they've got a certain law, the Kirchhoff's voltage law, that says that the total sum of all potential difference in a closed loop must be equal to bani to 0. So let me just say I'm not minding my currents. I'm only looking at the what? At the voltages alone. So mangati I'm only looking at the voltages, and then let me just pretend we are not focusing on the current. So our focus point is on the voltages now. So mangibuka ama voltage wami lana, voltage source, it is the first thing. Most of the time masoyibhala, so ibhala is something like this and then sifaka plus on top. So lo plus lona just means you need the positive terminal lapha phezulu. So the current is flowing in that direction automatic. So lana, if we say this is the voltage source Vs, and then lana we have got a resistor R1. Let me just say resistor R1 uno V1. So when you are choosing a loop lana, a loop is just a closed path. Means ukuthi une wire evalekile like engabreak phakathi. Yabona ngisho. So for example, if we look at this wire here, it is not breaking at any point. The wire, it is not breaking at any point. No, it is not open. It's a closed path. So remember, the current can only move when the path is what? Is closed. Otherwise, if the path is open, no current. I was to come. So lana, if we choose our loop, we put our points. Let's just say this is point A, point B, point C, and point D. If I say I'm choosing a loop here, let's just say my loop is like this. This is just a loop, Jan. I'm not labeling anything, it's just my loop. So my loop comes from point A to point B to point C to point D and back to bani point A again. Ungavele uthi nje it's A, B, C, D. It's like iphelela, it comes back to bani to A. So when we find the total of the voltages there, the total of the voltages on this loop, which is A, B, C, D, A. So it's A, B, C, D, A because comes from A, iyaku B, iyaku C, iyaku D, ibuyela ku A again. So in loop yakho, you can choose this as your loop. And then here, we look at our potential differences. And you are summing up in our voltages, phela. The current nje ayihlangani at all at this point. Okay? So lana ke une voltage source. So for a voltage, we need to know the ama voltage source, they've got any voltage gain. Because ama voltage source akhipha in voltage angisho. So you wanna a positive voltage. So positive voltage, it means it's a what? It's a source usually. Okay, but basically, yeah, let's just say positive, it means it's a what? It's a source. Then the resistors abanani nama voltage losses. So the resistors abanama voltage losses. So i-resistor yakho ke into ekumele ibe nayo lana, the positive part of the resistor must be here. So the positive we-resistor kumele ahambisane nobani? No positive we-voltage source. You can never have a scenario whereby lana positive weloto njani we-voltage source, and then lana for i-resist positive wakho ube lana. No, like into yakho izoqhuma vele, because remember guys that here when you are connecting a component, you connect to positive nobani no positive, negative nobani no negative. When awathatha ibhetri wafaka positive negative positive, uzenzakalani? Izoqhuma vele. Or maybe angezi light nokulayitha nje, awuzokwenzeka lutho, there won't be any current. So you must match i-terminal ye-resistor e-positive must be here, corresponding to i-terminal yani ye-battery, to show that you are i-conductor yakho noma i-wire yakho is connecting to the what? To the positive terminal. Similarly, the negative terminal will also connect, but now we don't have to indicate it. So here we say that there is a voltage loss, because remember that ama resistor, they are doing what? They are using up the voltage, whereas ama battery, they are doing what? They are giving the voltage. So here there is a voltage gain into the circuit. Here there's a what? There's a voltage loss. So lama charges lana, they are given voltage. That's why it's a voltage gain to the charges. Lana ama charges, they are doing what? They are losing voltage. That's why it's a voltage drop. No, it's a voltage loss. So when we are adding LAN, the voltage of the source, this is the voltage of the source, and then we go to the voltage of any voltage of the resistor. The resistor will have a voltage in negative. Okay, in this case, OV1. In this case, that is all the resistors that we have in the loop here. Sina lena na lena kwelama components are 2 voltage. I can test 9. You exclude Leana because we just did a loop around A, B, C, D. So we look at wonkama circuit elements that are found in the loop A, B, C, D. In this case, the circuit element number 1 that is producing what? That is producing energy. Is the voltage source. And then swing a resistor that is using up the energy. So Vs minus V1 will be equal to 0. So most of the times, it's not always to use a voltage. Let's just say with V1 they don't give you the voltage of the resistor, which is R1. Let's say they give you the current, they give you that the current, okay, they give you the resistance utilana, resistance is 2 ohms. When you can now apply your Ohm's law and say, since I know the voltage is equals to the current times the resistance according to Ohm's law. So the expression for V1, I can get it by saying what? 2, which is the resistance times the current through it. So I can just say to find the voltage through resistor 1, I can use the current through resistor 1 times the voltage times the resistance of 2. That's why most likely we are to write something like this. This is Vs minus 2 times bani, 2 times I is equals to 0. Lo 2I lona, it is the what? It is the voltage across the 2 ohms resistor. Skhumbuleni ama current laws, they still apply. The current that is moving LAN, it is not as the current that is here. It's not the same. Angisho. Skhumbuleni senza njani? Iya split LAN. Some of it goes there, some of it goes down there. So mawuso leplisha ama currents wakho, don't find yourself saying that the current lena the current is the same. No. So that still applies nalana, but when you are adding up the voltages in total, you must get to ban 0. You can choose another loop that is different. You can choose another loop plan. Ufuna a loop, let's just say this is EF. These are points EF. Mawufuna loop yako to come from point A, from A, E, F, D. So it's like from point A to point E to point F to point D and back to point B to point A. So ile green path layer. In this case, I chose to ignore the path lane between B and C. I chose to ignore the path lane. ngithe mina i-loop yami, i-closed loop yami ayisuke from A to E to F to D and back to A. You can still do the same thing and do the Kirchhoff's law expression and say the sum of the voltages across the loop A, B, or it's A, E, angisho, from point A to point E to point F, and then from F to bani to D and back to bani to A. Yini esinayo lana sine voltage source angisho. In this case iubani uVS, and we're gonna say that's gonna be a positive voltage. If we've got 20 volts lana so menza benjani abe positive. And then what other component do we have on this loop, this green loop? Yiphi enye component esinayo? Resistor lana resistor 2 angisho. So we're gonna say this is minus the voltage across ubani resistor 2. Across resistor 2. So Vs minus V2 there must give us ubani 0. And automatically if you are given the resistance of 2, mhlambe kuthiwa this resistor is 4 ohms, you can just say voltage across this 4 ohms resistor will be a resistance which is 4 times ubani current. The current I there, will it be the same as lona ku 2 ohms? Izofana? No, because remember this was the total current bese yasplita enye yangale enye yangale. So automatically the current ezohamba lana ku 2 ohms mhlambe siniyezo I1 ezohamba kule 2 ohms resistor. The other one, let's just give it to bani I2. That's when you start putting ama subscripts to show the current yethu ayifani. So lana we know we can just say that this is our voltage source. Instead of writing V2, we can express a voltage across this R2 resistor by saying 4, which is the resistance, times any the current 2, of which the current lena SB. So this is 4I2. This must be equal to 0. So this is Kirchhoff's voltage law. Yeah. Mama uthi senza it's another method le sazoyenza. Mawuthi sesiwaconsider wonke awu-2 at the same time, don't worry, it's another method. Okay, so these are just the basic expressions ekumele siwakhumbule. Kirchhoff's voltage law nalona, and then Kirchhoff's current law. Whenever you talk about current law, think about a node phela. Yonke into must be based on one node. But if voltage law, it must be based on a what? On a closed path, noma a closed loop. Assessment, can we apply it? How can we apply it at any given point in time? Let's take this circuit. So it's an electric circuit lana sayibona ngisho. Okay. Now electric circuit yethu. This time we are given two things here. We've got a current source. Okay, mawubona this is a circular symbol with an arrow. This is a current source. Okay. There are many things that can, a voltage source and a current source. What is the difference? The current source is kind of just telling us what the current ehamba lana ingakanani. But basically all current is made from a voltage. But when you just indicate the current source, we are just indicating this is the amount of current passing through. Sayibona ngisho. So lana sine current lana, which is 1 ampere. And then when we move here, we've got voltage V1, and then sino A lana, lawa ma nodes angisho lawa. This is a node A. It must be made of 3 parts at least. So node A, node B, node C, node D. Now, and then now ama labels alana, in case mhlambe aswaboni kahle, we have got label I3 lan, last no I3. And the question says, determine I3 for the circuit in the figure when V2 is equals to 4 volts. So V2, they tell us that it's 4 volts now. Okay, let's just redraw the circuit because I think so we have got our current source producing a current of 1 ampere, and then we have got our resistor having a positive voltage V1. Okay, lo positive ula siyambona lo positive ula la kungena khona i-current ingena ku-positive terminal ma ingena kwi-resistor. So u-positive wakho wamthole ngalena, that's gonna be a problem. Even on the calculation you're gonna see what happens there. So the positive ulan and we've got a certain voltage loss there. And then lana gets no node A, we have a node A. Then lana we have got a voltage source, which is this one. And then this voltage source, it is having 10 volts. Then lana's no node D, and then back to the current source. And then lana is no resistor, which is 2 ohms. 2 ohms resistor having a positive positive one. And then they say it's V2 there. And then we are having all down to C here. And then lana's ne capacity. Na capacitor yethu. But i-capacitor yethu ubuku positive ukuphi? Nangu positive. So the positive part of the capacitor is here. Can it ever happen? Like what's wrong? What's wrong with the positive being here? Is there anything wrong? Yes. I-positive yethu is supposed to be here by the convention that we know. But our positive is on the other side actually. Why? Okay, let's just show it. Angisho i-current esuka kule voltage source ihamba kanjena ngisho. Ma ingena la kule resistor ingena ku positive bani terminal. Kahle vele i-current when it enters a particular component, it must enter the what? The positive terminal. Similarly, ma izongena la ku capacitor, this must be the what? The positive terminal. But the positive weight has been placed on the other side. That has got an effect. Nakanjani? Is one effect leyo. So actually, instead of a capacitor here to give us a voltage loss, it's actually going to give a voltage gain. So you can manipulate a component with akunikeze into enjani, into opposite to the one that you are used to. Because the current mangena la, this must be the positive terminal. But the actual thing they are telling us that our positive terminal is on the other side. So instead of this acting as a voltage drainer, it's going to be a voltage giver. Opposite to that. We're gonna see how that works out for your calculation. And then the current source 1 ampere and shows a 9 1 ampere. Let's just call it current I1. My figure lagule node, what does it do? It combines with the current eswakubani kule voltage source eku 10 volts. Sayibona ngisho. Mawa combine, they will form leo current ezongena kubani kulo 2 ohms. So if we say that this is our I2, okay, let's just, here they labeled it as I3, so let's just call it I3. So lo I1 na lo I3 ba combine abahlanganisa ubani u-I2. Let's just call this I2. So this I2 is a combination according to Kirchhoff's current law. And then now this I2 will be the one that flows into this. And then okay, no, they named it ubani. Oh yeah, nangu I2, siyabona I2. But ke mawufika lawo I2 wakho njengoba kuyi-total current izosplitha ngisho because kune-node lana. Enye it will continue going there. Le ezoya ngalena, what is its name? U-I1 angisho. Because vele the initial part u-I1 lapha beku-I1 lapha bese yenza njani? Yahlangana nenye bese yenza njani? Ayahlukana futhi. So I1 uyabuyela back to where it came from. And then u-I3 uyabuyela back nakhona. So now I3 wethu it comes back. So siyayibona ukuthi injani into esangisho. So make sure the current that flows out of any source is the same current that flows back into it. Angeke kwenze ukuthi i-battery, i-current esuka kwi-battery is 4 amperes, but only 3 amperes flows back. That's an imbalance because the current must correspond there. So similarly nalana I1 must flow back here, I3 must flow back here. So thina sifuna current I3 kahle here using any laws that you have learned of. Which law can we use? Given that this is 4 volts, which law can we use? Kirchhoff current noma Kirchhoff voltage noma Kirchhoff's current angisho. Kirchhoff's current sikhumbuleni it deals with a node angisho. So you have to choose a node here at some point. Then you check out to start recording. Okay. So you choose a node. Which node do you think has got more information esingayithola based on uLotunjani? A. If we look at node A and we say the total of the currents through the node A, sizwa nani lapha? I1 onjani? Positive angisho. And then plus bani? I3, or if you wanna start with I2 just for whatever, but I2 wenza njani uyaphuma ngisho. So it's a negative I2 and then positive I3. Now, all of this must give us 0. You just substitute your currents in this case. Let's see if we have the currents. Lana ke I1, siyayazi in current I1, the one going through this first resistor. It's 1 ampere. What's the language? Should the current through this path is 1 ampere. So if the current source in 1 ampere and it's connected in series with this resistor, the current through the resistor is also gonna be what? 1 ampere, which is the same current that will get inside the what? The node. So lana we know till last nobani, so no 1 ampere. So if 1 ampere minus current I2s now in. We don't have current I2 angisho. Singawuthola singawuthola kanjani? Ohm's law angisho. We see ukuthi current I2, it is the current that is going through this 2 ohms resistor angisho. So we know that on the resistor we've got the resistance nani and the potential difference, nami voltage. So we can find the current or I2 because yazi lo I2 ile current engena kule resistor. So once we calculate it, we have I2. So we know vele uthini, according to Ohm's law, we can just say that our current there is equals to the voltage over the resistance, which is voltage is 4 volts, resistance is 2 ohms. So 4 over 2 will give us 2 amperes. So we know that our current I2 is 2 amperes. Now, and then what about I3? Do we have it? No, it's what we are calculating, the total current produced by the source lane. So we are calculating ubani I3. So if you just transpose 1 minus 2 will give you ubani negative 1 angisho. Take it to the other side of the equal sign. I3 is equals to 1 amperes nakhona. So this voltage source is also producing current ubani 1 ampere. Because the I3 cumulus is the current coming from the voltage source. So this and this, they are producing similar current. If I ask, let's see, they are producing similar current. That is why Lana's no 1 ampere also angalena. Lana we've got another 1 ampere. When they combine, they form ubani with 2 amperes entering this resistor, which is what we calculated now. Sayibona ngisho, or I2, which is 2 amperes. So we have found the answer there. Simple thing, right? Complicated thing. Now this let's look at part 2, which needs a very much carefulness. Capacitor problem. Determine VC for the loop ABCD. So when V2 is equal to 4 volts, so they want VC, the voltage across the capacitor. Asibuye nike manje sifuna voltage across the capacitor. Through the loop A, B, C, D. Now A, B, C, D. So once you talk about a loop or a closed path, you already need to think about the voltage. You use it from voltage, Kirchhoff's voltage law. So if we do Kirchhoff's voltage law here to try and find out how much voltage is across this capacitor. So when kanjani? So to the sum of the voltage through the loop ubani A, B, C, D, A. Asibuke nike, we look at the voltage sources, we look at the components ane voltage kuphela. We don't look at the current. Sibuka nayi component eyokuqala is the voltage source angisho. Siba ne voltage gain noma loss lana. Gain angisho. Yes. Because the current is leaving the positive terminal from this source. So when current is leaving the positive terminal, it means that we are doing what? We are like having a voltage gain on this battery. So we're having a voltage gain. So the voltage of the source is positive. We move ngale loop. Let me just highlight the loop just so say nayi loop here is ngayo. This is the loop A, B, C, D. So now with a loop A, B, C, D, what is the other component that is found? We've got this 2 ohms resistor in a potential differential. And you can see with the current ingena la no positive chord. So that's gonna be a voltage loss. Yes. So omi current, okay, for a resistor, omi current ingena la positive. So it's in a voltage loss. Because the current will be the current will be used up basically. Or we can say that the energy from the charges will be used up. That's why it's a voltage drop. So here we say that the voltage through this resistor, V2, which they told us is 4 volts, but we're going to write that it's a negative V2, it's minus V2. And then again, when we reach now a capacitor. The problem with the capacitor, remember, what's in it? The current line is not the positive terminal. So it means we actually reverse the terminal for a capacitor yet. And for a capacitor, it's acceptable to do that. If we need capacitor yakho ukuthi benani produce energy kahle. Ama-capacitor, they can produce energy on their own. I'm sure we say ama-capacitor, they store energy in form of separated charges. Yes. So they can do what? They can release that energy. So at a point, a capacitor, it takes energy and it stores it temporarily in form of electric fields. And then, for example, a charger, I just say I response more charge your phone napaya. The moment we keep, it doesn't immediately stop charging. Sometimes the charge momentarily, that temporary release of a current is because of the capacitor there. So the capacitor is doing what? Is discharging its energy. It is doing what? It is acting as a voltage source actually. So at some point the capacitor can be what? Can be a voltage source, or it can also be a voltage user. But that depends on what say terminal yakho ikuphi. So uma lo positive ulana and the current ingena ngale on the other side, we are not going to have a voltage loss. Ayizukuba a voltage loss at all. That's going to be a voltage gain. So that's why lana, our capacitor, is going to behave a positive VC. But uma lo positive wakho bulala kungena khona current, bezwa ubani negative VC. And this all must be equals to 0 because there are no other components around this loop, around this closed path. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sis assignele here. Mm. Mm. And then mm. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Siyayizwa ngisho enye indlela yokuyibuka ngayo lento angisho. So basically lana ke ku voltage source yawuthi current yethu iphuma kubani? Positive terminal. That is why we're having a what? A voltage gain. But ngalena kwelethu njani kwi resistor. Sure, if this is positive ngale ubani ku negative. I current yethu iphuma kubani? Ku negative terminal. We're having a voltage loss. And similarly, when you get to the capacitor, if this is positive plate of the capacitor, this will have to be what? A negative plate. So lana ke i-current yethu njani? Ingena kubani? Ku negative plate. Iphuma kubani? Ku positive. So if i-current iphuma ku positive, what happens? If i-current iphuma ku positive, iba yini? I-voltage gain. Njengala ku battery source. Asho sisibonile la ku battery source ukuthi i-current yethu iphuma kubani? Ku positive terminal. That's why with the gain. So that's another way of seeing it. Now we say the other one is confusing, but to just maneuver around those terminals because lana they gave us a terminal is positive. Then you substitute, then you get the answer. The voltage of the source is 10 volts. Obviously, local sagna we just substitute into this expression. If voltage 2 is what? Is 4 volts. So that's minus 4. And then the voltage through the capacitor, we say it's going to just be a positive voltage is equals to 0. 10 minus 4 1 was 6. Take it to the other side. The voltage will be negative 6 volts. So that is our answer. Our answer there will give us a voltage which is negative 6 volts. So kubalulekile kakhulu to check out i-direction of ama-currents. Kubalulekile futhi iphosha usungicheckela siyarekhoda ngisho. Yeah, ngiyabonga. All right. Yeah, so those are basic concepts of Kirchhoff's law. Now, into ebalulekile is to apply them now to bigger circuits and solve problems, of course. But lana we've already looked at most of this because this is just how to analyze. This is just how to analyze. As again, for example, application of Kirchhoff's law. And just on the circuit length. I don't know if it's that clear. 8, 32 la, 2, 8. So there is a current there. There's a current here. It's just doing you analyze the magnet node. The currents entering, they are positive. The currents leaving, they are negative. And the total will be 0. So all these expressions also are bonalana. They're just trying to express that. They're just trying to express Leon. So now we need to do actual problems now to apply these circuit laws. Okay, here they say obtain the Kirchhoff voltage equation for the right hand and left hand loops. You are just doing the equations. When the equations, you just choose a loop, then you do what? This one will be a positive, and it's the voltage gain line, voltage loss is equal to 0. If you do for the other loop, if you do for this bigger loop, nakona, it's a similar approach. It's a similar approach. But basically, let's try to do a real problem because Lana is just writing my expression. Lana determinants obviously is just a method of solving if my equations are so complicated. So you can use many different types of methods. So now let's look at the first way of applying this. The loop current method. Ningathi usayigama into ebesiyenza all along ukuthi nje manje sesinezigama manje. So application now of these laws. So now let's do the application of Kirchhoff's laws. Let's take this as the power source with 32 volts and a resistor with 2 ohms. Basically, you've got a node B, and then you've got another resistor, and that resistor is 8 ohms. So we've got 8 ohms, and then naku, and then naku. All right. Another node here. This is node D, and then now we have our 4 ohms resistor lana. We have another node, which will be node C. Then we have another voltage source, multiple voltage sources, and then connects back to D. Now circuit. Yeah. So we have 2 voltage sources last next. Now the voltage source number 1 is producing a current. The current is because you can see the positive terminal is here. So basically, let's name this as ubani, current I1. It is coming from where? From the voltage source of 32 volts. Yes. And then Leo current I1 my figure lana will node B. It will split. Will it split? Let's look. We have another voltage source like 20 volts. Lo 20 volts now une current yakhe nayo. It produces its own current, and Leo current asibize ngobani? I2. So the current flowing out of this 20 volt source, it is current bani I2. So now currents out to us from 2 different voltage sources and they collide. So mawa collide, what will happen? Because wonke they are flowing into node bani, node B. So umbuzo wami I1 no I2 mawazo collide la ku B bazoyenza njani? Bonke bazoyasama phela kubani ku 8 ohms resist towards this node which is D. Sayibona ngisho. Angeke uzwazi ukuxhuma le battery ulixhume kanjeni. Because once uyaxhuma the other ways, it means the current izohamba kanjeni, izocollide nala. Ama current awakwazi ukuthi ahlangane enye isuka ngale enye isuka ngalena. They don't have any other path to go bese ayashayisana. No, that's going to be like into ezoqhumuka ngempela. And ekuzoqhumuka ngempela ke at that point. So make sure ukuthi ama-current wakho la ahlangana khona, at least there is another way, a free way for them to combine and go. So la kule node la kuhlangana khona lama-current noma la kule terminal u-B azohlangana wonke. Mawahlangana hayi ukuthi u-I2 uzoqhubeka kuya ngalena, cha, azocombine wonke athathe le path lena because this path is kind of having no other current kuyo. So we're gonna say that this is our current I3. Okay, so lana from this circuit we want to do a loop current. We want to do a loop current method of solving. Just wanna create my expressions wakhona sizama solve for I1 no I3 no 1 band. So let's have a loop of current, right? Let's look at the loop lesekuqaleni lena. This is A, by the way. This A, B, D, A. Sayibona actually loop A, B, D back to A again. Le loop lena ke, I will say that it is having current I1. So I will say that it's having current I1 angisho. Is producing current I1 le loop. Nangu current I1. I will say that this loop is producing current I1. So current I1 uzongena la ku-8 ohms angisho. But akayedwa because khona enye current eswangale nobani u-I2. So you must have another loop showing with this other voltage source is producing a current, and that current we say is current bani, current I2. So do you see lo 8 ohms lona is receiving both of the currents because lama current the moment they reached terminal B they combined ayakubani u-8 ohms resistor. Yabonakala leyo nto angisho? Yes. So whenever they say do a loop current method, you have to draw 2 current loops. That's the first thing. So now, what about the expression? How are we going to now work out the expression for Kirchhoff's law? So now the expression here to learn, we're gonna do Kirchhoff's loop, the voltage law. Because once we talk about a loop, cabanga ngani nge voltage law. Yabo. Because masokhuluma nge current law, you have to only focus on one specific node. Okay? But when you're talking about the loop current, and lana kahle they want us to solve something at some point, or they want us to solve I1 no I2 using the loop current method. So we want to solve with I1 mnganani, I2 mnganani. So we're gonna say that since we've created 2 loops, so see the sum of the voltages, not the currents, lana, because we're doing any voltage law across a loop of current. So this is A, let's start with the loop number 1 is A, B, D, A. Angisho. A, B, D, A. So eta any ama currents on the first loop. Sayibona ngisho. Let's look at we're adding ama voltage njalo. Some of the voltages. The first lana is voltage source angisho. So I'm just gonna say that this is 32 volts or positive angisho. And then lana ke what's the next component esinayo in this loop? This one angisho 2 ohms resistor. So that is 2 ohms resistor. So if voltage akulo 2 ohms resistor, do we have it? Do we have it lana? No, singayithola ngisho. Siyithola using Ohm's law. You multiply the current through the 2 ohms resistor, of which is current I1 angisho, times any the resistance okubani 2 ohms. So this is I times 2. So this is actually 2 times I1. So I'm gonna say this is minus 2 times I1. Kumbula lo minus lona is to say that this voltage, actually na voltage lena ngisho, le voltage na in negative because it's a voltage drop as the current is entering into a resistor. Well, all resistors, well, they ought to give you ama voltage drops. A resistor can never give you a voltage gain. Yabo. But a capacitor can do that, not a resistor. A light bulb cannot produce energy. They say it has a little energy to amanyama component. No, but it is the one that takes away the energy. So this is that. And then masahamba kule loop, what other resistor do we have? 8, right? So last nobani, it's no 8 ohms. And 8 ohms is receiving mapama current lan. I1, no I2. Bonke bo 2. Do you see lama loop law, they're like colliding at this point. So basically means that this 8 ohms resistor, the current through it, oku I3, we gave it I3 the name. It is a combination of ubani, of I1 nobani, no I2. So if I'm going to say njengoba ngine resistance mean I need to put voltage lana ngisho because I'm adding up the what? The voltages. So njengoba mina ngingenayo voltage, but I can use Ohm's law. I can just say that the voltage across this 8 ohms resistor will be ubani, will be the current through it. Current through it ubani, okay, ubani current I1 nobani no I2 in total. So it's I1 plus I2. This is the current through ubani 8 ohms. But Ohm's law says we say current times any resistance. I-resistance yala ubani u8. So i-expression for voltage yamilana will be 8 times I1 plus I2. But basically it's going to be a negative because the voltage drop resistor nakhona. So this is negative 8 into I1 plus I2. Now, do we have any other thing lana besides that? No. Like kule loop le yokuqala, actually we are just focusing on this loop. Although this resistor ithatha part of the current coming from the other side, but we are focusing on this loop ubani A B D A. Sayabona ngisho. So this is equals to bani to 0. So that's your equation number 1. And then to do the second loop, because we're doing a loop current method angisholani. I-loop yesibili isarekhoda namanje. Hey, ngaze ngayivuma ifoni yami namuhla. Ya lasta. Qala ubona into elasta kanje. So the other loop now, the green highlighted loop, right? It is a loop B, C, or you can take it in whatever arrangement. But the loop learner, oh, yes, so it's C, B, D, C again. So it's loop C, B, D, C. C, B, D, C again. Because we start here in this direction at the loop here. So as we're looking at the voltage containing components. This one in voltage source 20 volts or positive because it's a voltage gain there. That's now easier. And then what else do we have besides log? 4 ohms is having a voltage or negative. So we're gonna have a minus there. But since we don't have the voltage, but we know the resistance is 4 ohms and the current is I2. Using the Ohm's law, you just say what? Resistance which is 4 times the current which is I2. So this is minus 4 I2. And then part of this loop, 8 ohms it is still part of the loop Yes. It's recommended to highlight loop yakho. Nami highlight kanjeni khona kuzobonakala ukuthi we are talking about this part. You look at everything in this part. In this case sesilana unobani uno 8 ohms. So I'm going to say that this is what? This is 8 ohms. But lo 8 ohms lona isho thina sifuna i-voltage yakhe. We are summing up the voltages angisho. I-voltage yalo 8 ohms singayithola kanjani? Sesike sayenza ngisho lana that the voltage through the 8 ohms resistor will be ubani 8 times I1 plus I2 and such a negative. So this is 8 times I1 plus I2 is equals to 0. So drop this part. This part I call important is just stating the law. When I solve the equation, solve for I1 and I2. It's maths now. Obviously guys, you can do a simultaneous equation. You can do an elimination method. You can do a matrix. You can do anything that will get you the answer. The rest is mathematics. Set up expressions with. So when you do the maths here, the correct maths, obvious, masowenza le maths yakhona, angeke usayinaka le part lena. Uzovela unake lo bani le equation lena ethi 32 minus 2i minus 8 into this is equals to 0. That's your equation 1. Then the second equation is 20 minus 4i2 minus 8 into i1 plus i2 is equals to 0. That is your equation 2. And then again now you can either make i1 the subject of the formula and substitute. So you can solve by substitution. Or you can do it determinant, you can do a matrix, do whatever good methods, mathematical methods you have. Yeah. But at the end of the day, for this particular problem, the I1 that you are supposed to get is equals to 4 amperes. And then the I2 that you are going to get. What I2 did they get here? I don't see their I2, but the I1 ekumele uyithole must be 4 amperes. So then the rest is maths, and then I2 is -1. I2 they got -1 amperes. It's just from this mathematics. But sayibona nje uma sikhuluma nge-loop current sikhuluma ngani? Sayibona? Okay. Now an example that you can look at to just make sure that we reinforce our understanding. Now, sayibona nje lento. Now a circuit, it is having multiple resistors and there is a current source here. And you want to do a loop current. So given the circuit, calculate the current in the 10 ohms resistor. This 10 ohms resistor, no 10 ohms resistor land. And then we want to calculate the current through the 10 ohms resistor. So you can make any loops as long as lama loops wako, at least those loops, they must be able to do what? They must be able to cover the 10 ohms resistor that you are looking at. So we can just try to do that one as well. But again, we have to do other ones. See, and then how? But it's still the same thing that we did, Jay. Okay, I'll just set up the expressions, then the maths you guys will do later. Hey, because the maths yakhona nje iningi. So here we have got 2 ohms resistor, a node, and you know Moses has a record yet. How nice. So that's no 9 ohms, and then lanas no 4 ohms omunye, and then lanas no 8 ohms omunye, then lanas no current source giving us 1 ampere, and then here we go. So they say given the circuit in the figure, calculate the current in the 10 ohms resistor using the loop currents. So they say use loop currents. So we've got a voltage source giving us 40 volts with the positive terminal. Okay, so masbukalana we can gather up our currents. Lana we've got a current coming from the voltage source. We can say now, we can just say this is our current that can make a loop and come back right here. Kanjani ke manje? Le current lena mayifika kule node, right? Some of it will go here, some of it will go there ngisho. Lena ezoya ngalena izofika yenzeni? Izohlangana naleso akuphi kule current source and they combine here, right? They split again and then this comes here and then iyabuyela back to where it was. And remember, the current leaving must be the same current going back to the current source. So essentially, this is my I1. I'm talking about the current ezohamba izenjani izibuyi. But we know lo I1 lo akaphelelana, so we can make another loop and say if I1 wami I trace it and trace it and trace it and trace it, izoqhubeka ngisho I1 wami lana. Yes, it can continue. Some of it can continue because iloop yakho, iloop current method says iloop ozoyikhanda must indicate ukuthi current yakhe ihamba. The previous example esiyenzile, iloop esikhandile ezu I1 indicated ukuthi current yethu was moving in this direction, right? And in this direction phela. Shuthi le loop lena it cannot accommodate le current esuka ngalena, it's a different current. So iloop yakho must kumele ihambe la kunani, la kune current yakho. Yeah, where this current of this source is coming. For example, the current efike la isuke yahlangana nalena ngisho bese bahamba basebo u2 lana, but this I1 it still takes this path. but lana masesibuka lana, this I1, this current from this 40 volts, it can take this part. That's the first loop. But ingaqhubeka enye ngalena because le node lena iyayisplitter le current angisho. Yes, iyayisplitter enye iye ngalena enye la. Sayibona ngisho. So mayisplitheka le ezoya lana izokwenza njani mayifika la kule node lela. Izo combine naleso aku 1 amperes angisho. So we can make a loop for the current source 1 amperes now. Mayifika la you see ukuthi they collide, these two currents. Yes, maw collide abenza njani bangena kulo 4 ohms resistor. So that's why my loop, when I'm completing it, ngizothi this purple current coming from the voltage source, I'm sure it's splitted at some point here. Some of it waya ngalena, some of it waya ngalena. Right? So here it is naku. It comes and comes back to the current source. Similarly, nalana futhi, this one coming from the current source, yenza njani? Iyahlangana nale epurple angisho. Goes together and then they split again at this node and comes back. Those are the number of loops that we have. So ama loops wakho are constructor based on the current yakho ihamba phi. Phela. So if you see ukuthi current yakho mayizofika la izosplitter enye izohamba ngalena, you can make a loop that moves like this. If you see ukuthi enye izohamba ngalena, you can make a loop that goes like this. So it's a loop current. It must show ukuthi current yakho ihamba phi. Sayibona ngisho. And then you now do the expressions again. If we want to do the sum of the voltages, because remember, a loop current method, it works with ama voltages as now. Okay, let us look at loop current bani. Let's start with loop current. Which loop can we start with? Lena with a 40 volts power source, right? This one, Lene blue. So I'm going to say loop 1 because I didn't put points on them. So this is loop number 1. Alright. So here I look at my voltage sources because Kirchhoff's voltage law at any ama voltages. Sinale voltage lena enjani a positive 40. Sayibona ngisho. Yes, so that's a voltage gain or positive 40. I'm no longer writing ama letters. I'm substituting already. So nale resistor le EU2 ohms, right? Yes, the resistor le EU2 ohms. Masithi sibukisisa kahle lana, le resistor lena EU2 ohms, I receive ama currents. Let's label our loops kahle. This is loop number 1, this is loop number 2, this is loop number 3. This is loop number 3. When we use ama capital letter, we're trying to show that this is our what? This is the loop, the currents in the loop. Okay, so when you look at these 2 ohms, how many loops did we draw around the 2 ohms? Is 2 loops. Now controversy encane. Omunye would be like, I current vele esuka lana maku I1. Ile current ezongena la ku 2 ohms, right? Kuzoba I1 kuphela. Kahle, that's what someone would say. But remember here, when we're talking about I1, we're talking about the entire loop. Yabo? So we're talking about the entire loop of current. Now, lana masikhuluma ngo I2 is the entire loop of current. That is why in the previous example, makuhlangana ama loop awu2, senza njani? Si add lawo ma currents akulawo ma loop. When 2 loops meet. So as much as we are having a total current ezongena la ku 2 ohms, it is accommodated by ama loop awu2 okubani oku I1 no I2 esimdwebeni. That's the method. So this loop, it doesn't really indicate what is the current itself per se, because omunye would just be like the current eswa la 40 volts iyona yonke ezongena la ku 2 ohms. There is no need to add these 2 loops. But no, because this method yet is all about trying to see how many loops we have in total of current. These 2 ohms then, it will consist of the loop I1 and then the loop ubani I2. So you assign it a current that will accommodate unkama loop awu2 ehlangene. Please be very careful on that one, because yeah, you are most tempted to say that this is just I1 because it's the current, but we consider I1 as a loop. And masihlanganisa current yethu lana, we look at how many loops are affecting the resistor. Lana in this case, if voltage yethu, we can get it by saying current times resistance, and our resistance is 2 ohms. Our current, we're just gonna take the loop currents. We know yes, which is the total current, but let's just take in ama loop currents. No loop bani, no loop current I1, no loop current I2. So you must substitute them as minus 2 into loop current I1 plus loop current I2. This is just a mathematical way of representing things, but ngokuyibona like with common sense, you would tell to the current coming from 40 volts, it is the exact one ezongena kubani, 2 ohms, without any splits. Yabo. But in this case, you must understand that lama loops lawaya, they represent I1, the first part of current, and the second part of current. So whenever you are making expression yakho, make sure you have both the parts. And then, which else do we have? Here we've got a 10 ohms resistor. Lagu 10 ohms, which loop current are we having? Ilo I1 kuphela ngisho. So that's going to be minus 10 times bani I1 is equals to 0. That's the first expression. Then we can consider the second loop again and the third loop, but I think 2 loops is enough to give you 2 simultaneous equations. The second loop, if I look at loop number 2, loop number 2 angisho like voltage source of 40 volts. Uhambe uno 2 ohms resistor ngisho. Uno 9 ohms resistor, ube nobani? No 4 ohms resistor, ubuye back to the voltage source. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 components that have to do with voltage. So asiqaleni ku voltage source okuzoba ubani? U40. Vele is 40 voltage source angisho. The 2 ohms resistor, siyabona it is still that resistor and is receiving 2 loops angisho. 2 loop currents, which is ubani? I1 nobani? No I2. If we go to this 9 ohms resistor, or receive ubani? I2 kuphela, right? So this is receiving ubani? I2. So the maths is balancing there. This is receiving ubani? I2. And then when we go to this 4 ohms resistor, wenzani unama loop awungayi? Loop currents awungayi? Awu2. So we've got loop current, this purple one and this green one, right? So to find the voltage, obviously it's going to be a negative voltage. But to find the actual expression yayo, so tini, voltage is current times resistance. Our current here we are having ubani? We are having loop current I2 no loop current bani? I3. So we are adding them together. And multiply no voltage ubani? 4. So this is supposed to be 4 into bani? I2 plus I3, right? I2 plus I3. And I3, we know the value of I3, right? Yes, it's 1. You can see that it's coming from this current source, it's 1. So the current through this loop we've already given is 1. So I can say that this is 4 times I2 plus bani plus 1. So lana again, so this is minus 4 into I2 plus 1 is equals to 0. From lana again, actually is the maths that's important. So interval nje is making the expression, then the maths follows. So yeah, you do your maths. You do your maths there to solve for I1 and I2 simultaneous because we have got 2 equations. Yes. Okay, lana siwa-ede kanjani? Okay, so kahle kahle mama sikhuluma nge-loop current lana. Okay, let's say sikhuluma ngale resistor u2 ohms, sifuna ukukhuluma nge-voltage yayo. Sibuka ukuthi mangaka ama-loops that are passing through there. No matter how many loops of currents can we draw through that resistor. In this case, sikwazile ukudweba ungaki? Awu2. Okuyilena e-blue nalena enjani? E-purple. So the total loop current ezoba khona uzoba yilena e-blue oku I1 plus lena e-purple okubani? I2. Yes. So that's why I see no 2 into I1 plus I2. Although omunye would just say ukuthi le current esikwa la ku 40 volts iyodwa and iyona engena la ku 2 ohms. Yes, realistically iyodwa iyona engena ku 2 ohms. But in terms of ama loops, we have got 2 loops of currents esiwa add ama loop. That's why it says known as a loop current method. So it is not the actual realistic current, but in loop current. It's just a mathematical current that we create to be able to solve Lama problems. So the rest, you do the maths. You must get that I1 is 3 amperes from that. Hey, there's a lot of mathematics there. I1 is 3 amperes, then I2 uzomsolva from that I1. Wenza imaths yakho kuphela and then kuyaqonda. So sayibona i-loop current. If they say use the loop current, highlighter la kune-loop khona. Then selene method eyi-1 and then we do Thevenin's theorem nakhona engekho iningi. But at least by 2 asiqedeningi, at least by 2. She's ifoni yami I know ukuthi izophelelwa i-storage. Angazi why ingaphelelwanga namanje. Still surprised. But if phelelwa i-storage ngicane ngibole amafonweni ngoba le session siyenza namuhla asizokuyiphinda. Maningi kakhulu ama-module akhona. So sizokuyiphinda le session. Number 2, the second application that we have is a node voltage. Node voltage analysis. Node voltage analysis. I should say loop current method. It uses Kirchhoff's voltage law. We create a loop of current and it uses Kirchhoff's voltage law. Seso yi-opposer leyo nto mase senza i-node voltage analysis noma i-node voltage method, we're gonna use Kirchhoff's current law. Sayibona ngisho? Yeah. So i-loop current you use Kirchhoff's voltage law and then in-node voltage usebenzisa ini? Kirchhoff's current law. So let's have the same circuit again. We're going to have the same circuit again, having the same things. But manje, we're going to use our node voltages. We're going to see where does node and voltage meet up there. Asho ngale sithi i-loop ne-current ihlangana kanjani ngisho? Because we know that the total voltages across a loop is equal to bani? 0, a closed path. That is why we were able to combine the current as well as the what? The loop in the like the voltage law. Lana ke ku-node voltage so senza i-current law. Let's use the same circuit, solve the same thing, but in a different way. Sithi nakho sine node lana, this is node A. This is node B. This is 4 ohms resistor. Now node C. This is 20 volts. And then this is 8 ohms. And then here we go, Nako. So this is still our circuit. Now here we're going to have OVD and we're going to ground it. Siyazi lento leyo ground angisho. What does grounding mean? Yeah, you literally connect it to the ground. Because the ground has got millions of electrons in it. So ground or earth noma ground neutralizes. Right? Okay, siyazi i-cable ekuthiwa i-earth lawa athanda ugesi. Yes, i-earth. Angisho khona kuba positive negative nobani no earth. U-earth lo yawo usho uthini? It's a neutralizer. The potential difference there is what? Is 0. That's why we have an earth. We call it the earth because bakhuluma nge-ground. Angisho i-ground inama iyakwazi uku-neutralize ugesi. Similarly, we say we are earthing this node. So the terminal lena, see make sure to nani, the potential difference is 0. So we are connecting to an earth cable. Okay. So now, how do we now do this method known as node voltage? We use Kirchhoff's current law. Masuma node voltage, use any Kirchhoff's current law because something that has to do with node is a current law. And then ngalena masuma loop current. Something that has to do with the loop here is Kirchhoff's voltage law. So we are kind of mixing lesson. So in this case, it's a node voltage analysis. So we are looking at Kirchhoff's current law because there's a node involved in there. So if we do the sum of the currents across any loops here, we can take all the loops that we have. So lana ama loops esinawo sino loop A, sino loop B, sino loop C and sino loop D. Okay, loop A, is there going to be any change in current la loop A? Sinayo component lana? No. So loop A is of no significance because really the same current engena in the loop is the same current that leaves in the loop. It's just a series connection there. Sayibona ngisho. So loop A is not affected by any changes now. So we won't do any expression in Kirchhoff's law. Loop B, it is affected because loop B unama resistor on either side. So, but loop C, is it gonna be affected in any ways? No, because the same current in loop C is the same current that leaves the loop. The node, yeah, the node, yeah. So let's look at each and every node here. So the only node that is valid is node B. So node B has got a certain potential difference. So ibiza ngobani? Ngo VB. And then node A, the potential difference, we're gonna call it ubani? VA, or the potential at that point. Then C, we're gonna have ubani? VC. Node voltage. We are looking at the voltage on that particular node, right? But we use the current law. So singakuphambanisi. So lana ke, according to Kirchhoff's law, if we look at B, let's look at our current ahamba ku B lapha. Let's have the first current. Oh, I missed one resistor la. That's not 2 ohms resistor. Here we have a 2 ohms resistor. So we have got a current here esizoyibiza ngobani? I1. So this is I1. Then sikhumbuleni lapha we've got another voltage source angisho 20 volts. It is producing another current, and leyo current soyibiza ngobani? I2. When these currents meet at this node, what happens? Ayacombine angisho angena kulo 8 ohms 8 ohms resistor angena in this path. This is your I3. So if we want to apply Kirchhoff's law based on the currents that we have, Kirchhoff's current law, we're going to say on the node B, ama current angenayo azoba positive, aphuma azoba njani? Negative. Ungena lena I1, i-positive angisho. Then I2 is also positive. But I3 is what? Negative. All of this must be equal to 0. But now, this is just Kirchhoff's current law. I can't apply anything about node voltage. So, node voltage, uzongena kanjani ke lana? Node voltage uthini? I-current yakho, you can find it using voltage and resistance. Siyakwazi ngisho, according to Ohm's law. So basically, we can say that current is the voltage over the resistance. Namanje record. Hayi. Ningitshela immediately my stop because angifuni nje ukuphinda ezinye izinto. So current is equal to voltage over resistance, Ohm's law. So lana ke ama current wethu, because in the node voltage analysis, after doing Kirchhoff's current law, each and every current sizoyi express using le formula ethini. Current is the potential difference over the what? The resistance. Let's just call it potential difference. So for I1, for example, if we want to write expression yakhe, current I1, siyabona is the current passing through the what? The 2 ohms resistor. Siyabona ngisho. So wena uzobuka ke uthi kulo 2 ohms resistor, angisho i-resistor iba nama terminals awu2 angisho. Like khona terminals engale to the left, another one to the right. So when you look uthi any 2 nodes, okay, let's just say la ku VA, guys, what is the potential here at VA? What do you think the potential is la ku VA? It is still le voltage source angisho. If this is 32 volts now like sazobani with 32 volts, because we haven't had any other component edonsile leyo energy from the charges. So this is 32 volts nakhona. So when you see uthi u2 ohms resistor wakho, it's a resistor that is between 2 terminals. Because remember uthi ama node, you can call them what? Terminals. So the first terminal is VA having a potential ewubani? Ewu32. We have got to terminal VB and a potential esingayazi. Sayibona ngisho. So masikhuluma nge-voltage, what is voltage? It is the potential difference. It's the difference in the potentials. So now potential ka A ewu32 is coming from the battery directly, because there is no other resistor that is taking away the energy. So i-potential la ewu32, but i-potential lana iwubani? Iwu-VB. So you need to look at the potential difference between the nodes. That's why it's a node voltage. Actually, voltage is potential difference. So we are looking at the potential difference between the what? The two nodes. Now, so current I1, we know it is that current that is passing through the 2 ohms resistor. We look on either side of the 2 ohms resistor, we see iwaphi ama-terminals noma iwaphi ama-nodes now that have got a voltage, that have got a potential in them. Then we make a potential difference. That's why mangibhala u-ohms law wami ngithi delta V to show that it's a what? Potential difference. So lana sine potential ewu-32, ngale potential ewubani? Ewu-VB. So I'm going to say that this is going to be 32 minus VB over the resistance of the resistor having this current I1 is what? Is 2 ohms. Okay, so it's 32 minus VB. So it's potential of A minus potential of B. That is how I model the potential difference here. You can still do VB minus 32, but you must be very careful. You know in number minus the unknown terminal. Mathematically, all of it can still work because siyaza ngisho ukuthi lento le u32 minus VB uyafana no VB minus 32, but it's just there's a negative sign. So mathematically you can use anyway, but let's use a number minus the potential on the node. So current I1 we're to learn. So we are doing node voltage analysis. So we are done with analyzing current I1. Current I2, siyabona to current I2 alone that is passing through the 4 ohms resistor. So you look and on either side of the 4 ohms resistor, we see ama-terminals wakhona ingakanani potential yakhona. Lo 4 ohms lona, it is between 2 terminals, which is terminal C noma node C and ubani node B. Sayibona ngisho. The potential on node C, what is it going to be? 20 volts angisho. Because between this power source and this node C, we don't have any other resistor. Asina any resistor, asina any component. So there is nothing that's going to decrease the 20 volts. So essentially, lana we're also going to have 20 volts because there is no difference in potential there. Into ekwazi nje wenza ukuthi kube ne difference is if masine resistor between these 2 points. So lana sina no 20 volts nakhona. So lana on one side is no 20 volts angisho. That's the first terminal. On the other node or on the other terminal, we've got ubani uVB esingamazi. So I'm still going to say that the potential at B is VB as mass. So if we do the potential difference with delta V, which is the potential difference no matter the voltage, we're going to say that this is going to be what? 20 minus bani VB. So this is 20 minus VB over 2. Over the resistance is 4. And then I3, this is the current I3. Sayabona ngisho. I3. So current I3 wethu, it is the current going through ubani u8 ohms resistor. So you focus on ama terminals kabani ka 8 ohms resistor. Ubone ukuthi ahlahle le current ingena kuyona le resistor ingakanani. So on one side we've got i-terminal yokuqala of 8 ohms resistors nobani terminal ewubani VB angisho. On the other terminals nobani sino VD, which is 0 because we are earthing it angisho. So we have got VB, we have got ubani u0. So in that way you can say this is what? VB minus bani minus 0. So this is going to be VB minus 0 over the resistance, which is ubani u8. Okay, so make sure you see mawenza i-potential difference yakho, try your best to just say i-potential before minus the potential after the component. Angisho njengalana i-potential before here angisho minus potential after. Here nakhona i-potential before, like in the before i-current ingena angisho, and then i-potential after. Then you never get the signs wrong because once waqala wathi 0 minus VB lana seku-wrong, you're already changing the trend. So lana mawuzothi 0 minus VB, lana uzothini VB minus 20, la uzothini VB minus 32. You must correspond kuba uthi la kusuka khona i-current yakho, i-voltage yala kusuka khona i-current yakho minus i-voltage yala kuya khona i-current yakho between this resistor. Similarly here, voltage of where the current is coming from minus potential of where the current is coming from minus potential of where the current is going. Nalana, potential of where the current is coming from minus potential of where the current is going. Sayibona ngisho. Yes. And then again, you just substitute there. So this is 0 is equals to, where there is I1, so palubani, 32 minus Vp over 2. Where there is I2, so palubani, 20 minus Vp over 4. Remember, Kirchhoff's law is already assigned a sign weight. So this is minus Vp over 8 is equals to 0. Here, the only unknown is Vp. You don't have to do anything else. You solve for Vp. If they want Vp, if the question yako but wafuna Vp, so ngamsolve from lana, because lana it's very simpler lana. When the maths a basic, lana this is the lowest common, lowest common LCD, lowest common denominator is 8, and then again when the expression yako utolu Vp, it's only one unknown. Once watolu Vp wako, it means you can get current I1, you can get current I2, you can get one or current I3. So, VP wako lana, let me just give you the answer as a calculator next time. So, the VP there, I have already, the answer is 24 volts. So, mhlawumbe calculate the current I1, I2, I3 using the node voltage analysis. You just take the VP now, you substitute into the expression yama current, and now my current, you'd find the same thing exactly as we did when we were using the other method, which was the loop current. If it's the same circuit, because actually the circuit yeah, it's the same circuit. So last it was I3 the current I3 that we were calculating, or I1 was 4 amperes, I2 was what? -1. If you use this method, you should get the same thing as well. If you say 32 minus 24 over 2, you must get I1. If you say 20 minus 24 over 4, you must still get I2 lo simthole ngalen. I3 will be what? 24 minus 0 over 8. That's going to be 3 amperes. So here you can say that I3 way 2 is 3 amperes. I1 way 2 is 4 amperes. And then I2 way 2 is -1 amperes. These are the same values as what we're using the loop current method. Exactly the same. So it's just different methods of finding or solving. Hey, all right. Okay. Hey, yeah. Cool. Yeah, that's it with the methods. You can just look at this one, for example. When you are doing the examples from the textbook, they are using their own conversion one. It's different from the one that we are doing learn. Instead of saying 32 minus VP, VP minus 32. But mathematically, all of that is correct. Okay, all of that is correct. When I get to keep things safer, just say VA minus VP. This is VC minus VP. This is VP minus VT. So you just say current before the component, the voltage before the component, the voltage after the component. So usebenzisa trend eyi1 because imath yakho izokuhlupha mawuzomixa wena. Lana mawuzothi 32 minus VP, lana kuzoba 20 minus VP, lana kuzoba uVP minus 0. Ungayitholi wena ke enye le expression sethi VP minus 20 ekubeni amanye they are using another different trend. But all of it mathematically will be correct if you choose one consistent direction. Yezwakala ngisho.